Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Banu. Generally, for any cleaning product, we can estimate its cleaning performance by means of two methods. One is chemical analysis, classical analysis, lab testing. This is scientific method. Another method is customers' feedback, customers' perspective, customers' opinion. This is another method. Both the methods are equally good, equally valid. In this video, this is regarding about a feedback from one customer. One customer from Pakistan has purchased a detergent powder formula from us. One or two raw materials are not available in Pakistan, so I made some changes in that formula. After some days, he has sent me the text message, WhatsApp message. Your formula is very good. This is the proof. He has given one video link. I thought that video link may be a heavily dirted cloth before and after washing process. But after watching the video, this is not that type of video. He is estimating the washing performance of a detergent powder in different manner. I have given the link in description. This is only video. There is no audio. In this video, he is estimating the performance of the washing powder. Of course, I have enjoyed that video very much. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our upcoming videos. Thank you.